Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use all of the Gemini Pro model and some of the Flash model totally free. So without wasting time, let's get started from the beginning. In your browser, please go ahead and type AI Studio. Press enter. Please go ahead and click on Google AI Studio. Please note that if you are already logged in with your Gmail account in your browser and that is syncing in your browser, this will automatically get you logged in there. But here I am not logged in with my Gmail account. Let's go ahead and sign into Google AI Studio. Let me quickly sign in. So once you are simply sign in with your email account and you will go to create prompt section and under the model section you can see the team has released the number of model. So for Gemini 2.0 Flash we can see the input and output pricing that is too low, and this is best for multimodal understanding, real-time streaming and native tool use. In use case, you can see this could process 10,000 lines of codes called tools natively like search, stream images, and video in real time. It's perfect. And we can also see that latency is too good here. The next model we have here 2.0 flashlight where input and output timing is more low than 2.0 flash. So the next model is here Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental, and we can see this model is totally free. You can use it totally free, and we could also see this is best for multimodal understanding, real-time streaming, native tool use, and processes 10,000 lines of code, calls tools natively like search, stream images, and video in real time. And we can see the latency is also too high. Perfect. The next model, Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, is also showing free here. And we could also see input output pricing, best for and use cases here. Let's scroll down, and in the preview section you can see a number of AI model has been released by the Google, and this looks the game changer. Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental and 1.5 Pro Experimental. So in this particular video, let's go ahead and see how we can use Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental model. Now let's go ahead and we wanna ask Gemini Pro about our problem that how to survive a tsunami. Let's go ahead and click on run. You can see Gemini is answering too fast, right? As you can see, the speed of answer from Gemini Pro was too good, and we have also seen that the latency of Gemini 2.0 Pro model was perfect. And here, this gives me the answer in a perfect detail. You can see what we need to do before the tsunami, warning sign, and then during tsunami, what are the immediate action, and what after the tsunami, and then key takeaways. Amazing. Now let's go ahead and we want to try the same prompt with Gemini 2.0 Flash model. Let's go ahead and change the model from here, paste it here, and send to Gemini 2.0 Flash model. And as you can see, the response is perfect, latency is too high, and the speed is amazing. I got the complete answer. So you can see here that all the latest Gemini model could be tested on aistudio.google.com with no cost. You just need to go to the URL aistudio.google.com, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account, and then you have to go to create prompt. And this is how you could use and test all of the models under model section. Couple of them are experimental and a couple of them are Gemini 2.0 Flash. And we could also see the information about all of the models here. So I will recommend you do try all of these models, create your account quickly and log into Gemini AI Studio. So that's it about today's quick, easy and to the point tutorial on how we can use Gemini 2.0 Pro and also Gemini 2.0 Flash models and few of experimental models. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.